Hi dear customer, now we are introduce our semi-auto hook and fancy puller assembly machine. So this machine output is 3000 to 4200 picks per hour. So now let's see the details of this machine. So as you can see, this machine has one vibrating disc, and the slider body will automatically transport it to this channel. Okay, but the slider puller needs one worker to put it on this channel manually, and after these two parts, so the slider will be assembly in this part. In this part, you can see this 3.12, and then will be come out from here. So now let's see the finished one. You can see the finished one. The assembly result is very good. You can see. Okay, you can see we need one worker to put the puller into this channel manually. Okay, you can see. So the puller will be assembled in this part. Okay, so after assembling, the product will come out from here. Okay, let's see the assembling result. You can see the result is very good.